Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Into the last lecture, we have seen this program of array, into which we have declared 5 variables of integer data type. To input value into this array, we have written 5 pair of printf and scanf. But if we have 50 members or 50 variables, then the same thing we have to write for 50 times. Then what is the use of array? So here, to solve this problem, we can use this index number, which always starts from 0 and up to the size minus 1 of the array. Here we have one variable I. As we know for loop, we are writing for loop over here. For I equals to 0, I less than 5. Here less than 5 means it will go up to the 4, which we wish from 0 to 4, and I plus plus. Into this for loop, we are writing this statement which we are repeating multiple times, and instead of 0 we can write I. Now no need of these many statements. Likewise, we can write the same loop for the output also. Instead of 0, again I, and now no need of these statements. Now to run this program, Ctrl F9. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Here is the output 10 to 50. So this is the use of loop and array. Thank you.